Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see the energies of your twin flame. So, we have here the Ten of Cups. Queen of Pentacles, the Hermit, Queen of Cups, and the Nine of Swords. Three of Cups, Page of Cups, Six of Pentacles, the High Priestess, and the Four of Pentacles. Bottom card natin, King of Cups. So, your twin flame is now in this realization or isolation. Malaki ang posibilidad na lumabas na yung true colors ng kanyang karmic or ng kanyang piniling partner na na-realize niya na hindi yung taong yon ang dapat nakasama niya ngayon. So, ngayon, nahihirapan to ngayon taong to. Ayan, with this Nine of Swords. So, ayan na lumalabas na yung mga dapat na ma-realize niya. Every night, this person is overthinking or crying, feeling sad dahil sa mga desisyon na nangyari or ginawa niya, sa mga nangyari in the past, kung bakit nawalan kayo ng communication. So, tingnan natin signs and symbol cards. With this Four of Pentacles natin dito, pinanghahawakan niya yung mga past experiences niya na kasama ka, binabalikan niya yung nakaraan, noong time na magkausap kayo magkasama. We have here the shoes. It's your divine counterpart energy. So, ngayon na-realize niya na yung pinili niya is hindi yung counterpart niya talaga. So, we have here the falling star, diamond, letter, and telephone. So, gusto niya mag-send ng message or gusto niya tumawag sa'yo. Ayan, money and teddy bear. So, anong message ng Archangel natin? So, gustong-gusto niya talaga tong union na to. Gusto niya ng reconciliation, makipag-ayos, to reconnect with you again. So, we have here Indigo and Crystal Children by Archangel Metatron. You have a bond with children. In particular, you can help children who are sensitive. So, maaaring for some of you may mga children involved, lalo na kung nagkaroon siya ng anak with this karmic partner, kaya nahihirapan siya na umiwas talaga roon sa taong ngayon. So, tingnan natin. Kasi yun kasi ang dahilan kung bakit connected pa rin sila, hindi siya makatakas. I wish I could take back my words. I know I was a distraction from your pain. I feel you even though we are apart. So, ramdam niya pa rin yung presensya mo kahit magkalayo kayo. And we will be together again. So, maasa pa rin siya, still hoping na to have this union of hearts. I hope that you can forgive me one day. I don't react when people mention you and I'm becoming a better person, which is a good thing naman na nangyayari ngayon. And I hide behind material things. Okay, so itong karmic niya kasi nakakapag-provide sa kanya ng mga material things or sa pamilya, lalo na kung may anak sila. Lalo na usaping pera. Pero kung sa personality naman, ikaw 'tong diamond. Kumbaga itong karmic niya is the money, ikaw 'tong diamond. So, tingnan natin. More messages. Crying over you feeling lost. So, ayan na nga. I want solid foundations, patiently waiting. I watch you from afar and ito pa can't sleep thinking of you all night long. Moving forward, can I call you? And you're so sexy. Bottom card natin, I hit my pride and ego. So ito yung mga isa sa dahilan kung bakit hindi niya magawa mag-send ng message or tumawag. Ayan, pero malaki ang posibilidad na in separation na sila ng karmic niya or malapit na. Or yung connection nila is para na lang doon sa anak nila kung meron man. Or sa business, para kasing business partner, itong mga to. So, yun na lang. Sa pera na lang yung ugnayan nila, lalo na sa mga tawag dito, yung mga pinundar nila, business, ganyan, or mga ari-arian, ganyan, mga naipundar nila together. So, yun na lang yung nagiging connection nilang dalawa. Pero emotionally, wala na. So, tingnan natin sa blue card. Engagement. All strings attached. And true love. And tingnan natin, kuha tayo ng initial. J, L, W, X, Q, U, O, Y, K. C ang bottom card. So, let's see sa general signs and messages natin. So, we have here flirtatious, future lover, runner card, friendly, February. So, baka bago mag-end ng February, mapag-isipan niya na itong tumawag sa'yo or mag-send ng message. Sword is air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And ayan, confirmation na it's a twin flame. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Travel, lalo na kung long distance. Ayan, nag-overthink na siya. Food lover. March. Pero yung iba sa inyo, confused pa. Soulmate. Confused pa kung soulmate pa talaga to. Pero more on a soulmate kasi dahil twin flame to. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And, ayan soon. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.